another beautiful day up north. Today we're riding down to Sunderland, which is on the coast. Chips at the seaside and then uphill all the way home. It seems to always be like that around here. But at least we've got a headwind now, so later on it'll be tailwind. Do you reckon this is the flattest route you can do around here?
It's one of, that's for sure, yeah. We are basically all downhill all the way there. So it's actually only half of it is climbing, so which means it's effectively flat.
I'm not sure that's how it works, mate.
We definitely have a headwind on the way there though, because normally you don't have to pedal at all on this bit, whereas I'm having to do like a couple of rotations just to like keep up speed, which would suggest that the way back is going to be, well, not really slow. It's going to be just slow because obviously it's all uphill.
But we could all sit behind Daisy.
Well, hold on.
We can hold on to Daisy.
Yeah, tow mode, that's what it's called, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Tow mode. Alright, catch us up, bye. Vic and Lauren.
Borrowing a bike is like one of the worst things in the world. We were just saying, weren't we? Like, you spend years and years, that's a massive, on this Wilier, massive hole. You spend years trying to get your bike perfect, choosing the right saddle, choosing the right handlebar width, everything. You've done that for a reason, and the reason is you want to be comfortable. You borrow someone else's bike and it's just like, shit.
That's why rental bikes are the worst.
I would rather have all the faff of travelling with a bike than rent one on the other side. I've kind of rented this from you.
I was going to say, why have you rented a bike off me?
The official Wilier is coming soon. What?
Colours look great on this.
The colours?
It's not mine.
Oh yeah.
Something happened?
No, nothing's happened to it. Just being a weirdo. I'm not always a weirdo. Sometimes.
Watched the movie last night.
The Froggers movie. The guy we rode past a minute ago looked like a Frogger, didn't he?
Wait, who's the Frogger in this scenario though? Jimmy?
We could have a frog.
Technically we're the Froggers right now.
Yeah. You want to explain
Well,
what
that's what
frogging
they-
is?
They can use Google.
Did you ever play Frogger?
No.
Like when you were a little frog and you jumped over the logs?
It's not the same thing.
It's not the same thing.
Well, where are you?
I'm on the coast to coast.
So am I.
At the roundabout. Yeah, I can see you. It's across the road from there.
There he is.
We thought you were being stupid and you're actually
No.
past us. Like,
He said he was behind us.
What I was worried about was this section because loads of people go left where you have to go right. And then there's
You
another
don't have to go right.
Left is on the road, right's much better. It's off road.
We're going straight on. Where's his mask?
He's just breaking all the rules, Jimmy. He doesn't go.
Where's your bloody mask?
They've already been now, it's spread the warner.
you got a beard.
That doesn't work.
How do you know?
That makes no sense.
Do you work for The Who?
Yeah. The band.
Do you work for Keith Moon? As backup drummer.
I am Keith Moon. I'm not Keith Moon. Lauren has an actual Sunderland accent, not a Geordie accent.
Well, now I feel properly under pressure. To see
Is that what it sounds like?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
That's not Geordie.
Yeah, it sounds exactly the same. Peckham?
Doesn't sound the same.
No,
If I was a Geordie, I'd be like, that man, why aye?
they're great. You doing the sound effect?
Yeah.
With curry sauce.
Cheers, mate. You recovered from your crash?
Well, barely. Yeah, I mean, I'm about a stone heavier.
He is.
A lot lazier. Not nearly, but I'm almost as slow as Jimmy now.
We were going to do a gravel ride the other day and you turned up with a road bike and road shoes because you were so terrified of what was going to happen.
Well, I'll concede to that one. He's had 7 weeks to catch up, so I wasn't sure like how fast he's going to be coming back from.
I've not ridden the last 4 weeks.
Just because it's not on Strava doesn't mean it's not happened. I mean, I see the photos.
It's the only climb. It's the only one on the way home.
So hilly up here.
Like, alright, everything is uphill on the way back. We're going right here up this hill. But like, it's not steep. You know, just like 8%ers.
Yeah, like
this one.
like this 15% climb. You joker, mate.
You only got one hand.
I keep doing this.
How are you still recording? What are you doing?
I'm getting to suffer. It's just deja vu, isn't it?
Who missed out? Well, you phoned me, so I'm guessing someone missed out.
Oh no, there was no cans, but I found a bottle. Got some fizzy fangs because they said they were vegan and they might be nice.
Last time we were here, you were not in as good of a state as you are now.
No, I don't even need these. I just wanted them.
Because they're hard or because they're sour?
Both. They're stuck in my teeth.
We haven't had the tailwind, have we?
Yeah, well, I don't understand that.
It's really it's been the opposite.
Yeah. It must have been more downhill than I remember it being. So it felt like a tailwind, but it was just downhill.
Everything here is a hill. Even the flat ride is hilly.
I'm glad I had that Red Bull.
You were smashing it.
Ooh.
Absolutely flying, man.
I was just trying to keep on Daisy's wheel.
Just a massive lead out train behind Daisy the whole way back. What setting did you have that on?
Easy.
Did you?
That's easy.
That's the easy
No,
setting.
okay, I put it on when we got to the office. I put it on to...
Yeah, but no, that doesn't
because
count.
that's the steep
The
hill.
whole-
Was
the whole
that, or was
main way
that just
back.
like 2% back?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, brutal.
I don't know if does the camera pick this up? How swollen? Okay.
Now, Francis, do you want me to hold it? That. It looks like a muscle. That's really hot as well.
Yeah.
Boiling hot.
Get some ice on it.
Put it over once so then you get the full effect of
So it
the
doesn't
cold.
burn myself. Yeah.
And then get the sock on it as well.
So I'm going to sign today's video off. I'm not going to lie, I'm struggling a bit with this. Can you see the difference? It's actually alright when you're not doing anything, but as soon as you're riding a bike, every little bump is just like the biggest pain. How can a thing so small hurt so much? The swelling seems to be moving down my arm, so eventually it will just be gone, I hope. Thank you as always for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for more bike riding and something that will be quite interesting, a socially distanced festival coming up in the next couple of days. See you soon.